Hello everybody and welcome to this new show I just created. It's called Electronics Review. Today we are going to review the LCD keypad shield that I just got. So here's the tutorial by Electropeak. It's in Arduino Project Hub. I will leave a description as I said, and I will leave links to buy this item if you would like it on Amazon and eBay. So the LCD keypad shield runs on the A0 value. The right one needs a 0 to 60. The up needs 60 to 200, down 200 to 400, left 400 to 600, and select 600 to 800. It needs that value in the A0 port. So we're using the liquid crystal library in this one, then they're defining the pins. So here they're basically saying just print electropeak.com, then press any key. So the LCD screen should display electropeak.com, then press key. If the Arduino reads that the value between 600 to 200, it should print up. So if x is less than 200, it should print up. If x is less than 400, it should print down, and so on. So as you can see, when I pressed up, it changed to up. When I press down, it should change to down. When I press left or right, it should change to right, left, or so. So here is the new code that I'm gonna use. It's for scrolling this text in the LCD keypad shield. Here we can control the speed of it, so we can make it 500, and this is in milliseconds. So if I wanted a second, I will make it 1,000, but it's 400, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Here we have right down here we have the LCD scroll display right. These are explained in the website, so you can see it there. And LCD scroll display left. All of these are commands using the liquid crystal library. It's working now. Electropeak is what it says, and it bounces left to right, and then after a bit it just scrolls back. So basically what that is the B000, B100, it's the specific blocks inside each and every pixel of every square in this thing, in the LCD keypad shield. So it's a 16 by 2. So if you look closely, there are in every single square in the 16 by 2 thing, there are a couple of squares inside that. So basically what this thing is it's telling it to select B0000 in this one and make it and turn it on or turn it off. It's actually turn it on, and we can see which one. So for example, this one is a smiley, this one's a battery, and this one's in the right arrow. It's explained in more detail in the website, so go check it out. So over here you can see there are a couple of signs that just came up. A smiley, a battery, a right arrow, a left arrow, the ohm symbol, and a heart. So you can make pretty cool things with it. You can make the Dino game from Google Chrome, and you can make a lot of other things with it. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you see you again. I will leave links to this LCD keypad shield and other and the website that I took the code from, learned how to use it, and hopefully you learned something new. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and thank you.